Hey y'all, it is your girl Lala's World, and I'm back with another video. It is the beginning of the year, and I'm making a vision board today, so I'm gonna take y'all along with me. Right now I'm gonna go to Walmart and go print out the pictures. I tried to like do it online and then pick it up, but they not going for that, so I guess I have to go in. So I'm gonna take y'all along with me, and I'll be back with y'all when I get to Walmart. Okay y'all, so I am currently at Walmart, as you can see, and I'm about to go to the prints section to see if I can get my pictures today. I don't know how long it'll take, but I also have to get some other stuff too, so come along. Okay y'all, so I'm back. That took me forever and a day to do. I don't know why, but I'm about to go look for the poster that I'm going to be putting it on, and I probably should have gotten a basket, but I didn't get one, so now I'm looking for a poster board.
2,000 years later.
Okay y'all, so I think I found the poster board. I only found one in this size. It's a 18 by 24. I have 38 images, so hopefully all of them fit on here. I don't know how. I think I need to get like thumbtacks or something. I don't really know how they stick it on. But we need this, we need to go get some glue, and then I think we should be done with everything. So yeah, so I had to get glue, but I low-key think I'm gonna do this like spray adhesive, but it's like messed up or whatever. But it says it's good for cardboard, paper, canvas, cork, and photos. So I think this will be like the less messiest. I'm gonna call Irene right now and see if she is getting her photos right now. Hey, she didn't answer, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and get this, even though it's like broken, because I think it would be best suited for the project. And I have scissors at home. And then I have to wait till 1:59 to get my okay y'all, so I am walking to the coffee shop that we're about to do the stuff at. I don't know where Irene and Naomi are, but I don't even care. Dang, it's packed in here. I don't even know if we're gonna get a place to sit down, but I'm gonna see, because it's too cold out here to be doing vision boards. So let me see. Okay, so that coffee shop was crowded as hell. Y'all can't see me, but I'm walking. That place was crowded as hell. I don't know what time this place closed, but I'm walking into Crave because Irene went to go get cookie. Can you imagine? Anyway, she went to go get cookie. So oh my goodness.
Okay.
Who is that? Who is that? Okay, now time for me to do my rant. Okay.
I like the trip.
Don't worry, God got me. People like her and her knucklehead friend that is coming, they don't.
I was on time, bro.
They don't.
You see, she came into the store now.
Guys, okay, we can even do it here, low key.
Actually,
They close at 10. What time is it now? Oh yeah, I might as well get night as well. These people don't understand. Huh?
So I can go get my truck.
Oh, don't worry, I'm gonna explain to y'all later.
Go get the stuff. So let me tell y'all about Laura. So Laura always complaining, talking about that we need to be on time and stuff. But we be trying. Like, we be trying. So, oh my God. Laura's camera got my head big. Y'all, my head is not that big. I promise. Laura's camera got my head huge as hell. Hell no. But let me show y'all my cookie. So I got a cookie. It's really good. It's a chocolate chip cookie. You're late.
I saw Laura walk in. Oh, darling. Okay.
This is the person that Laura's really bad at.
She's mad at you.
This girl's always late.
This girl trying to make a vision boy didn't buy no bitches. Bro, that's her, bro. It's a vision.
Good morning.
Good evening.
I told them that.
Wait, my sister got the same board. My sister's making a vision board on January 10th.
Really?
She asked me if I wanted one.
Don't look at my vision.
Do y'all see her coming to America and check it?
It's cold outside.
It's getting cold outside. I'm wearing the cup.
I know, like, come on, bro. Because people want to dress warm. Like, come on, bro.
You forced it coming to America. Wait, no, Laura, where's your jacket?
What kind of me say?
Yeah.
Sit over there, because I know you're gonna get sick soon.
Yeah. It's bad. Okay, let me get my
I know. Let me tell y'all about these people here.
Wait, no, don't start yet. I'm about to upload a video.
Yeah, don't start yet.
No, I'm not starting. I'm finna tell them.
No, don't start with that either.
Yeah, I don't care.
Yeah, don't
We
start.
know.
Yeah.
Okay. I need you, Bula. Huh?
Huh?
I need you, Bula.
Oh, come on. Yeah.
Yeah, well, you see you're entertaining her.
Yeah.
You know you're entertaining her, right?
Cooler.
Is the cookie good?
It's not bad. But if you...
Is it better than crumble?
Crumble's a hit or miss.
Crumble used to be good back in the day. It's not good no more.
Yeah,
Crumble is not good. Is it like insomnia cookie?
Oh, I feel like they have good cookies.
Insomnia.
I just had insomnia cookies last
It's
week.
good?
Yeah.
Yeah, insomnia cookie is good.
I had it with the ice cream on.
Of course.
They really let us do this?
Yes.
About to be honest.
No, I am.
How about that?
Laura at the very least.
Yeah. Do you want some?
Laura wanted something.
You want okay.
Guys, Naomi's here right. Guys, Naomi's.
Hello. She's still
Are you Adele?
Okay, bye. It's over.
Anyway, Naomi's handwriting so pretty. It's so cute.
I don't like it.
It's so cute.
You say that too. You want the ugly girl like Laura? It's so cute.
All right, now I'm turning off the camera because
Yeah,
now
turn
they're
it off.
getting personal.
Black Lions.
minutes.